400 children enrolled in Buk Bilong Pikinini's literacy program in NCD continued the 20-day celebration of Universal Children's Day at Nature Park today. The celebration was officially launched in Vanimo last week.
Universal Children's Day, but also because we're bringing 10 libraries together. All Port Moresby enrolled children in our library learning centres have come here together to celebrate today. We're doing this because we want to show the inclusiveness that Buk Bilong Pikinini has as part of its programs, and it's all about ensuring that all children get access to education.
After a visit to the park, each child had to draw their favorite animal, which was then followed by a long picnic. The theme was centered on inclusive learning as Buk Bilong Pikinini's new book, I Am Noah, was launched in Port Moresby. The book's author, Noah Aguino, made a special appearance with some students from Red Cross Inclusive Education Resource Center at Hohola. He told MTV News that he was happy that he can share his story with PNG.
He wants me to go to school. So I started seeing books, but I'm deaf. That's my life. Other people, they don't know that deaf people are here in the country. But we deaf.
Founder of Buk Bilong Pikinini, Anne-Sophie Herman, told MTV News that it is important that children start reading at an early age.
The age of 5. All research shows that if you get children reading books, they will develop strong memory skills. They will set themselves up for a long, successful academic performance because all the neurons are forming during that time in the children's very critical years.
Lilian Soperakinea, National, MTV News.